replicate this little floral here, and then I'm going to use it in a little project. So this has some lace and some fabric. Okay, so what we're going to do tonight, y'all, I'm just merely going to show you how I created this floral. First of all, I just used, y'all, just scrap material that I had. So I got that, and then I just got some scrap lace that I had, and I don't use any kind of template at all. You can. I don't. I just never have. So I just merely start cutting. So what we need to do first of all is just cut a circle out of our material. And like I said, I freehand everything. So I just cut a circle out of my material, and I'll show you for the petals. No, I don't do anything special. So for the petals, you can take a piece of material, fold it in half again, just so you don't have to be cutting one little petal at a time. So this is all I do. I just take, I'm gonna start over here. I just take this and I just make like a little oval. I just do that. So, and there I have, what, 4 of them. Like I said, you can fold your material several times just so you don't have to be making one little petal at a time. Okay, and then I did the same for the lace, just little petals for the lace. And you don't have to do the lace. You can layer with like smaller petals if you want to. If you want to make a layering look with, or just don't even layer it. Just do that petal there. So, but I'm going to put lace in mine. And this oval is just going to, I've got several over here, these little petals. It's just going to hold my flower together as I build on it. You can use, I use Fabric Fix. You can use some fabric glue so you don't burn your fingers. You can use finger protectors if you want to. They seem to be too bulky for me, especially you know, when I have to, these little petals, they're real small, so the finger protectors, they don't work for me. So I'm going to take my circle, and y'all, I'll just show you what to do. Now, I use a hot glue gun. I put it on the low temp. Like I said, you can use fabric glue. That works too. Sometimes I feel like it's not fast enough for me, you know, to hold. But I just don't have any patience. So I just take my glue gun, y'all, and right here, just right at the bottom of the petal, right in the middle, I just put a little dab of glue right there. And I hope I don't burn my finger. I say I don't with this. So all I do is just fold that in half, and then that just makes your little petal there. Actually, if you had enough material, you can also fold the two sides back and glue it right in there. I know that's tedious, but you can also do that. I'm just going to put a little hot glue right there in the middle and pinch it together at the bottom and make my little petals. So I'm going to continue doing that. So see, when I pinch that in the middle, it makes that flower, but if I take these two sides and pull them back a little, it even makes it, I don't know, it makes it, I don't think it really changes it that much, so I don't even mess with it. And y'all, these petals aren't going to be just perfect, and that's okay, because flowers go. Again, I've got my little petal here, and at the bottom, I'm just going to, right there in the middle, just put a dab of hot glue and pinch it. I'm going to do the same with my little, and like I said, you can use this. Let me see, I haven't used it on this lace. Let me just see if that works. Pretty good. I don't mind using this fabric glue. Goes through the lace. But here is a petal, a lace petal. Okay. That works. At least you won't burn your fingers. It works on this whole, on any material, but takes just a minute to stick. Or some of y'all may already know that. So my circle that I cut, and y'all, like I said, I freehand all this. I don't have a template. We are going to glue these, and you can use the flat fabric glue, that's fine too. We're just gonna put these little petals here on our circle, and I just start, and you just glue it on the circle. That's all you have to do. So I just do a little pattern like that. I start up and down and across there, and then I just fill in. I just fill in here with more petals. That's just the way I do it. I don't know. Here, might be a little bit long. Kind of mess with it a little bit. So we look like this now, our little flower. And then now I'm going to do the same with my little lace flowers. And these, I kind of place them in between. You don't have to. There's no rhyme or reason on how to do that, but I'm going to just place them kind of in between petals. And I just place that right on top. So that's what we're looking like so far, is that. So we've got a little flower with some lace. So on here, y'all, I'm gonna dress it up with a Totally Dazzled piece. And I'm using the antique gold. Just like this one has the antique gold with the pearls and the rhinestones. I mean, how pretty is that? That's pretty. That is pretty. So I'm gonna use this one. Big pearl in the middle. And some rhinestones. Actually, that is pretty. Rhinestones. I'm using that and putting that right there in the middle. A fabric flower. We got that. And this one. And then I'll show y'all. I'm going to use this canvas. I got this from probably either Michael's or Hobby Lobby or somewhere. I know Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Walmart, all those places have it. Okay, so this, I'm going to use this lace. I'm going to use this lace at the bottom here, y'all. This lace is kind of stretchy. I think it came from Hobby Lobby, maybe. So I am going to cut a piece off. Oops. There goes my roll. So, I think I'm going to place that there at the bottom. I'm using this. This is the lace. I just put lace there at the bottom, just to give it a little something, So I'm gonna put these on here, these two flowers. I'm just going to, like that. Yeah. So this is what we got so far. I'm going to put this, y'all look at this piece. This is the antique bronze too, but I'm going to use it this way. So I'm just going to put that right there just for something. This is another little piece that I put there. Isn't that cute? But y'all, I made another one with the gold. Isn't that pretty? With the lace. You can't see the lace. But here's another one, and this is just, I don't know, it was just material I had. And then I went ahead and tried a blue jean one. Y'all, this is blue jeans. So this has, how many layers does this have? 2. I think this is 2 because it's so bulky of a material, but that's 2 layers of petals on there. So I thought, y'all, don't forget to dress up if you have a cap. You know, don't forget to dress up your caps with these. I mean, that would be so cute just for the summer.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.